Hey guys, so I just want to say what a great 2017 we've had. It's been a really enjoyable journey. I started YouTube 12 months ago now with no subscribers and started producing free videos on C#. We obviously moved into all the other areas afterwards. But in general, it's been a really enjoyable ride. You guys have enjoyed the content based on the feedback. I've had all positive feedback. There's probably been 2 comments the whole year that haven't been really 100% positive. So I'm very pleased with that. I'm pleased that you guys enjoy what I do. It takes time and effort, and it's my personal time that I devote to giving away this knowledge. But I must say I do enjoy doing it. I love doing the videos. I think they're exciting, enjoyable, and relaxing, some of them, to just simply talk through a process of how I know something and explain it in a simple way. So I'm glad you guys enjoy it. I hope to have just as much success in 2018, and in less than 12 months we should have hit almost 10,000 subscribers in the next few weeks, which I think is a huge achievement. From going from nothing with no advertising to just simply releasing videos and getting your guys' feedback. So this is a video really just to say to everybody that watches my channel, thank you. You've given back as much as I've given in terms of positive feedback and comments, and that's why I do what I do. That I know you guys appreciate it. So firstly, it's a thank you. Second, it's, so you guys can see me, because I'm sure most of you wonder what I look like. You've watched my videos for a year, but it's always obviously screen share. So this is a chance for you guys to effectively meet me digitally, if you will. And like I say, to just say thank you for the year I've had. That brings me on to the one subject that's been brought up multiple times in comments, is people mentioning about a Patreon page, wanting to give back to me for what I do. So I obviously do it for free. I never want to change that. I want to give away my knowledge for free all the time. But a lot of you have mentioned, and it's almost every day now, oh, why don't you set up a Patreon page so we can give back? I want to give you, money to support what you're doing. And right now, I'm not in a need for the money. I run businesses, but it's not really that is the issue. It's more that I now feel it's almost be a disrespect to you guys to not set up a Patreon page, because you feel like you want to give something back to me. And I think that's a very generous and very humble thing to do. So I've gone ahead and set up a Patreon page, and then that got me thinking in general of the year I've had teaching. And I must say I do really enjoy teaching. I think it's really, as I mentioned, enjoyable and rewarding. So we could start in this Patreon page, and we'll see how many of you, actively support me, which is also going to be very interesting. So I've got 10,000 subscribers, and it'll be interesting to see the ratio of people that, start supporting me on the Patreon side of things. And ultimately, I think, I would like to do teaching full time. It's certainly something I'm not opposed to. So this is just kind of the start of the journey. We've had a good 2017. Like I say, I want to progress this year, go further. So I'm kind of in one way saying, let's actively start working on this Patreon, and let's go from there. You guys always want more content from me, but as I mentioned, I'm always running businesses and busy. So the more support I get, the more time I can put into videos, though, and I'll make that time because it's the rewarding feedback. So we've got that now set up, and like I say, I hope to see some activity on there. And then I also, let's look forward to 2018, and I hope everybody continues to enjoy what I do. So thanks, guys.